Hello everybody, welcome to at NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a question in the chapter Laws of Motion. Laws of Motion. What is the question, sir? Let us look at the question. A particle of mass m sliding on the smooth double inclined plane shown in the figure will experience the side so the particle is coming down in this way, and also on some other occasion it is going in this direction also. So it is coming from A to B and also A to C. Greater acceleration along the path AB, this side. Greater acceleration along the path AC, same acceleration in both the paths. No acceleration, it means what? It will move with the uniform velocity. No acceleration in both the paths. Okay, what is the answer, sir? Let us look at the answer. Okay, acceleration of the sliding object is A is equal to G sin theta. Acceleration A is equal to G sin theta. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. What is theta? The angle of inclination of the plane. In one side, near B, the angle theta is equal to 30 degree, and near C, the angle theta is equal to 40 degree. So for AB, theta is equal to 30 degree. What is sin theta? What is sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, that is inevitable. So acceleration is equal to G into 1 by 2, G by 2. What about the other path, other surface, inclined surface? For AC, theta is equal to 40 and sin theta is equal to sin 45. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2, is it not? So A is equal to G divided by root 2. You see, whether G by 2 is greater or G by root 2 is greater. So here root 2 is a denominator. Okay, that's it. So hence the particle will experience greater acceleration. So root 2 is less than 2, is it not? So denominator becomes lesser and lesser. Acceleration will be more and more. So greater acceleration along the path AC. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So we will see some more question in laws of motion in our next video. Okay. More question in the next video. Till then, thank you one and all.